channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix HU Tools locks troubleshooting, like your keypad not working, battery drain and reset fixes. First of all, if your keypad does not respond, like no keypad lighting, lock does not wake up and no beep when the button are pressed. For this, check the batteries. Remove all the batteries and install new battery, and do not recharge the battery. Do not mix old and the new batteries. Then check the cable connection. Remove the interior assembly. Ensure the cable connection, the exterior and the interior assembly is securely connected. Verify that the cable is not pinched or the damaged. Also verify the installed battery. So confirm that each battery is installed with the correct negative and positive polarity. Then guys, the lock will not lock or unlock the electronically. For this, perform a door oriented dedication factory reset. After the installation or reset, first of all open door completely and make sure the dead bolt is unlocked and fully retraced. Then insert 3 AA battery, then press and hold the reset button and insert the 4th battery while counting to hold the reset button. Hold the button until you hear a beep and the latch extended automatically, then release the reset button. After that, check the door alignment. Ensure that dead bolt move freely by hand. If the bolt bends, adjust the strike plate or the door alignment. Step 3 is that bolt does not extend during the reset, possibly cause door alignments problem. So reschedule electrical charges over tighten mounting screw. Steps 1. Reset the door open. Always perform the reset while the door is open and unlocked. Then guys, remove the residual charge. Remove all the battery, press and then the key button for the several times. Then leave the battery out for at least 5 minutes and reinstall the battery and repeat this process. Loose the mounting with screw. So if the exterior assembly is over tightened, so slightly loose the mounting screw and test it again. Thumb turn is hard to rotate. Remove the interior assembly, reinstall the lock and ensure the thumb turn in the vertical position during the installation. Auto lock is not working, so auto lock is not enabled in the settings, so the door closes completely. The dead bolt enter the strike plate without resistance, so battery have sufficient power. Then lock beep repeatedly. Replace all the battery with the new alkaline batteries and forget your master code also. So keep the door open and unlocked and press and hold the reset button. While holding the reset button, remove any one battery and reinstall it. Then continue holding the reset button for approximately 3 seconds. The lock will erase all the user code and restore the default master code. General maintenance tip: use only a new AA alkaline battery. Replace all the battery at the same time and do not mix old and new batteries, and protect the lock from the excessive moisture and prolonged direct sunlight. Test all the function with the door open after the installation or resetting. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you.